be showing you my slime, all my good slimes. Oh no, I did a video of that already, but we're just gonna make some. Octopus 24 is sick, so she won't be here today. Maybe later, because I might make slime. I might make slime later. Probably will if I know it's me. So first I'm going to show you the slime with the graveyard puke. My friend wanted to have it. It's not sticky. It's really nice to play with, and it was bigger, but now it's like shrunk. I have to be quiet because my mom is sleeping, because it's only like 9 o'clock in the morning. This is really good slime, and so yeah, comment down below what video you want me to do, like what type, any type. Well, it has to be like something I agree with. I'll put this down so you all see my great slime. Sort of see it. This is really good slime. And like, this is my borax slime. My contact lens solution slime is always sticky, and some people know that already. So like, this is borax. So I'm gonna move on to the next slime. Anyone who is famous. No, never mind. I'm not gonna say anything about that. This one was like full, and it is shrunk me a lot. My fruit punch. Gone really small. And very less pokey. It's not very pokey at all. It's getting hard, and like, this was my best slime, but now it's like pretty hard. It's really hard. Well, not really hard, it's like a bit stretchy, but it's pretty bad. Okay, that bubble did not work. And this is 2 massive slimes mixed together, and it's shrunk. Well guys, what should we do? I'm gonna try and make it like perfume. Smell. Jeez. Bit of perfume. I help it. Seriously. Oh, I can't smell it. So, anyways. Yeah, comment down below what video I should do next, because I'm really bored. Like, there's nothing really to do. Well, like, all I can think of is slime videos, but what else could I do? Slime videos. Anyways, Octopus 24, she's just like really wheezy and ill. And, she was vomiting a night ago, but like she stopped that. Like she's just really wheezy because she has asthma, but like not as bad as I have it. Anyways, yeah, we might make slime later. So. Wait, perfume is like really strong smells. It's like really strong. It's just hard. It's getting less hard. Okay, that ripped. I wish we had Octopus 24 here. That's what she likes me to call her. See, it doesn't even get stuck to your clothes. The other one does. So actually I'm going to take my crunchy slime out. Let's get to it. I just put more contact lens solution in it. It's because it's a bit sticky. But that's okay now because I've got loads of solution in it. It's not really crunchy, but it's like big beads. Sticky because it's contact lens, so I clean that up after. And loads of beads are coming out. is full of beads in the slime. This was a massive slime. Guys, when I tell you this, though, I was at my friend's house. Two were asking me where's the big slime I had in the two big slushy cups. This is it now. It's very small. And it's, yeah, I know, I put loads of beads to it, more beads. So yeah, that's it now. Okay, that's really sticky. Yeah, so you keep kneading it. It'll get okay soon. It'll be very sticky. It's full of beads. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to go now. So, bye guys, and thanks for watching this. Later I might post a slime video. Like me making it. Be really nice. So, if Octopus 24 is here. No, she doesn't have to be here, but I like her being here. I'm only allowed to make slime outside, so the video will be outside. Yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is not on my only slime, but my other slimes are super sticky and like creating water. Okay, bye guys, thanks for watching, and might see you guys later. Bye, and please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications and like to give this video a thumbs up.